everyone, welcome to PBW channel. My name is Teacher Carol and I'm going to teach you on how to read and write numbers. So, are you ready guys? Let's start. Okay, this one is we have different ways on how to write and read numbers. First one is we should know the relationship between the numbers, wherein we are going to group it. When we say group, we are referring to the place value and the value of the number. The first one is relationship between ones. The second one is tens. The third one is hundreds. And the last one is about thousands. Okay, in this lesson, I will teach you on how to read and write the value of the number. As you can see, we have here figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. Let's do first figure 1. In this figure 1, how many counters can you see inside the oval? Let's do it together. What is your answer? Very good. There are 10 ones. When we group these 10 ones, what is your answer? Very good. 10 ones make 110. Now, let's go to figure number 2. In figure number 2, if we group these tens together, how many hundreds can you get? So as you can see there, 10 tens make how many? Very good. The answer is 100. The next one is, if you are going to group this 100 into 10, what is your answer? So 10 hundreds make how many? 1,000. So this one, we finished already the figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. Let's do it the next step. Okay, as you can see, there are different ways to read and write a number. I will show you how. We will start with number 1. So this guys, from 1 to 5 steps, we should use one number only so that you can understand the different ways on how to read and write a number. So we will use the digit 1, 2, 4, and 3. Step number 1. You are going to read and write the numbers using the blocks. How to do it? Okay, this one. We have start with ones, and then tens, and then hundreds, and the last one is thousands. Okay, we are going to look the relationship of this value. I have here example number 1. What can you see in number 1? Is it block of ones? Is it block of tens? Is it blocks of hundreds or thousands? Can you answer me? Okay, very good. The answer is 1,000. What do you think is the answer in number 2? How many blocks of hundreds can you see? So there are 200. Yes. We now go to number 3. How many blocks of tens can you see? There are 4 tens. And the last one, how many counters can you see? Very good. There are 3 ones. So how do you write 1,000? How many zeros are there? There are? Yes, there are 3 zeros. So 1,000 is 1, 0, 0, and 0. The next one, 200s. How many zeros can you see? There are 2. So 200s make it 2, 0, and 0. And the third one, there are 4 tens. How many zeros are there? Yes, there is only 1 zero to make it 40. And the last one, do you think, am I going to put 0 in 3 ones? No, because the place value is ones only, so the number is 3. So can you read the number for me? Start with 1,243. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 is, you can use also a place value chart. When we say place value chart, you can see the table. How many columns can you see? Yes, very good. There are 4 columns wherein you can see O, T, H, and then TH. When we say O, what does it mean? O means ones. How about letter T? Tens. And how about H? Hundreds. And the last one, TH, it's thousands. Okay, if you're going to group this number, 1,243, where can I put number 3? Is it in thousands or in hundreds or in tens? Very good. You're going to put it under ones. And then number 4, you're going to put it under tens. How about 2? Hundreds. And then the last one is thousands. Can you read for me again? 1,243. Let's go to number 3. You are going to write the number in standard form. When we say standard form, just very simple, you're going to write the number. Like for example, if you see the number 1,243, you just write 1, 2, 4, and 3. That's it. Very simple. Let's go to number 4. In this number 4, you are going to write in words. When we say write in words, you're going to write the name of the numbers, the how to spell the number. Example. How do you write 1,000? Like this. You're going to write O-N-E, that's 1, and T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, 1,000. What is the next number? It's 200. And then the last one is and 43. That's it. Can we read again? 1,243. Let's go to the last way of writing and reading numbers, which is counting the board. We have here the table of ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Like for example, in ones place, there are 3, right? So I will put 3 counters in ones place. How many counters can you see? There are 3. Very good. Let's go to the tens place. How many counters can you see? There are 4. Let's make it 4 tens. On the third column, you can see 100, right? So how many counters? There are 2. And then the last column is, you can see only 1,000. So how many counters can you see? There's only 1. Very good. Okay. Using this counter board, how do you read these numbers? So you can say it 1,243. That's simple. Now, we will do another examples for you to understand on how to read and write numbers using these 5 ways. Example number 1. You can see there 6,472. We will start with number 6. Where can I write number 6? Very good. Under 1,000. Where can I write number 4? Under hundreds. Where can I write number 7? Under tens. And the last one is, where can I write number 2? Under ones. Okay, so this one is a place value chart. How to write it in number words. So the first number is 6,472. Again, please. 6,472. Very good. Let's go to another example. As you can see in this example, you can see the value of 0. So how to do it? Just write number 6 under 1,000. Since 0 has no numerical value, just write 0 under hundreds and tens. And the last one, write 4. So how to read this number? It's 6,004. Let's go to another example. 5,128. So you're going to put the number 5 under 1,000, 1 under hundreds, 2 under tens, and how about ones? It's number 8. Very good. In number words, so we have 5,128. So that is how to read and write the numbers. Let's have another example. Okay, question 1. This example is using the blocks, wherein you are going to count how many blocks are there in this example. How many hundreds can you see? How many tens can you see? And how many ones can you see? Can you answer it for me? So the answer is 426. Very good. Let's go to example number 2. How many blocks can you see in hundreds? And how many blocks can you see in tens? What is your answer? It's 850. Example number 3. How many blocks can you see in hundreds place? How many tens can you see in tens place? And how many counters can you see in ones place? So, the answer is very good. It's 971. Let's go to example number 4. How many counters in ones place? How many tens? And how many hundreds? The answer is very good. It's 263. How about example number 5? What do you think is the answer? Because I cannot see the counter in ones place. Yes, the answer is 710. Let's go to another example. In this example, can you see the blocks of thousand? No, you cannot see any thousand. So we will start again with hundreds. What is your answer? Yes, 539. Example number 7. Can you count it for me? And the answer is, yes, 187. Very good. Another example, number 8. Oh, this number 8, I cannot see any hundreds, any thousands. I can see only tens and ones. So what do you think is the answer? Yes, the answer is 42. Let's go to the next example. This one, you cannot see any tens. You can see only hundreds and ones. So what do you think is the answer? It's very good. It's 305. And how about this one? What's your answer? Can you do it for me? It's 798. Okay, this number 11. This one you can see hundreds, you can see tens, and you can see ones. So what do you think is the answer? It's 962. How about the next one? Let's go to number 12. In number 12, how many hundreds can you see? How many tens? And how many in ones? What is your answer? It's very good. It's 413. Let's proceed to number 13. How many blocks can you see in hundreds place? How many blocks in tens place? And how many blocks in ones place? What is your answer? It's very good. It's 256. Let's go to sample number 14. In number 14, can you see the blocks in thousands? Can you see the blocks in ones? No, you cannot see any blocks in thousands and ones. You can see only the blocks in hundreds and the blocks in tens. So what is the answer? It's 130. And the last example is, how many blocks can you see in hundreds? How many blocks in tens? And how many blocks in ones place? So the answer is, yes, very good. It's 874. So that's it, guys. That is the rule on how to read and write numbers. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.